Did you make that sound? And that one? Okay, we are finally all packed up. Late start as usual on this trip, but stuff is finally dried out. I think the only thing wet I have is my ground cloth, so it feels good. Kind of reorganized, packed up everything because it's dry instead of outside, so we can get everything else wet. So, looks like it's gonna be a nice day, breezy. Hopefully some of the trail will dry out or start drying out now. And technically speaking, it's not supposed to rain I guess the rest of our trip. So we are leaving Irons Mountain. Ready to go ride bikes? Leaving the C&O for a quick detour to Paw Paw to resupply and hopefully get some lunch. We'll see. And then the next adventure is the Paw Paw Tunnel. Can't wait. But it's gonna be nice riding on the road for a little bit. Alright, just checking in outside the Dollar General. Just got resupply, and guess what? It's sprinkling again. Might sprinkle all afternoon. It was nice and sunny, and now it's overcast and threatening to rain. We're about to enter the Paw Paw Tunnel. So last time I was here, it was blocked off at the end, and I had to have some guy help me with get around the chain link fence and over the scaffolding and hand me my bike, because I didn't want to go over the top of the mountain, which was like a 2-hour walk. So it paid off. We picked some wild onion to go with our dinner. They haven't quite bloomed yet, so they're probably still pretty good. I don't remember if they get extra potent or less potent after they seed and bloom, but I'm just gonna grab a couple pieces. dinner we have mixed vegetables, herbed mushroom risotto, super fancy. I think we'll put some Spam in there and some wild onions or garlic. It's gonna be delicious. Need to mow.